Hello, welcome everyone to the first trading day for the month of June 2026. I'm here to take you through the movements of the S&P 500, me, Cedric Thompson. So another day and another set of all-time highs for the S&P 500 index. It's up over 40 basis points, trading around 7,616. It's making it's nice green bricks on the Renko, broke the previous pivot high. The Z-score SMA is turning up, but it's so at overbought levels that it looks the move looks unsustainable in the short term. But these things could last longer than expected. Um, VIX is at 15. Right. In terms of the news today, we saw Anthropic is going to IPO, and ISM numbers came out better than expected, better than forecast. So that could be what is driving the S&P 500. My medium term target is 8150. I do have a bullish view on the S&P 500 with a very positive bias, given the trends on the weekly, daily, as well as the Renko charts. So pullback might be a good buying opportunity for the S&P 500 in the medium to long term. I would probably come in between the 21 and the 21 EMA and the 50 SMA for another move higher towards 8150. Well, that's it from me. See you at the next trading session. Cheers.